What's going on with the daycare? What's this? Why are you putting up border things in there? And why are you wearing a suit? It is what? We gotta go. It is haunted. Oh my god! It's their bodies! Oh, no. Oh, that's not a prop. You are so dumb. What? I said Jafina. Where? Where's Jafina at? Oh, it's a witch! That's a witch! Oh, no. Bop. Hey. Oh my god! No, Jeff, I saw her! Oh my god, she's so hideous! Oh! Jeff, can you not do this? Oh, Jeffino! Oh, behind you! Jeff, behind you! Yeah, why is she a ghost? What'd you do, Jeff? Experiment gone wrong. Are you hallucinating? Oh my god! She's right there! Run away! It's so derpy looking! Oh, no. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the day of Daycare! Yeah, what's up, bro? So, yo, my boy Jeff called me up. Oh, snap, yo, my boy Jeff called me up, and he told me today's gonna be a special day, and it's apparently supposed to be prom night, so I'm not sure what's going on, but I see over there in giant text, prom night with a heart face. Oh, Jeff, he's probably getting remarried to Jafina again. It's such a great couple. Except the part where they fight all the time and stuff. But you get the point. Okay, so let's see what Jeff is up to, man. And by the way, if it's prom night, do you need like a date or something? Because I don't normally have a date, so it's gonna be kind of awkward. I don't know. Whatever, man. It don't matter. Yo, my date is my moose book. Yes, come on, moose book. You give me a date for the day. Hi, Jeff. Wow. Wow. Those are they're like the most depressing fireworks ever. They didn't even go off. They're not even going off, Jeff. You didn't make them correctly. I'm sorry, buddy. It's all right. You know what? Here, just cry on my shoulder. Come on, buddy. Come on. Bunch of kids. Yo, Jeff, prom night. I'm so excited. Yo, Jeff, why didn't you tell me about this, man? Why didn't you tell me about prom night, man? Like, you're like, Moose, prom night. I'm like, I don't have a suit. I gotta go buy one. And then I got a suit. Yeah, now I look pretty cool, right? Yo, leave a look at this video if I look good with a suit. Hey, you look good. All right, so Jeff the Moose. Yo, who's gonna be a prom night, man? Who's gonna be a prom night? And where's your date? And where's my date? And where's Big Buzz? Is Big Buzz from Big From His Eternity? You really are trying hard, aren't you? You really are trying hard. Let's go! Let's go! It's the daycare! Whoa, look at this! Yo! Hi, Moosina! How you doing? Yo, look at this. Oh, no. Oh, snap. Okay, I'm out. Nope. DJ Moosina in the building! Turn out the beats! Sorry. Okay, so anyways, I gotta say, man, Jeff, I like the theme. I like the decorations. I think you, Jafina, Moosina, did a great job of making this place look amazing. Triple flip! I think she's really going at it, isn't she? She's really going at it. She jumped off the thing. Okay. Ah! All right, yo, your date is here. Well, hold up. Let me just drink this water very, very slowly, okay? Here we go. Hold on. Let me just get one of these, okay? Here we go. You mean I have a prom date? Jeff, this is a setup. You guys are setting me up. No, we talked about this. No dating for me. What is that? What is it supposed to be? What is camera? Moose, picture now. Oh, okay. Yay, smile. I'm being forced against my will. Ah! Awesome. Yay. Yeah, I'm smiling. Jeff, where'd you get that high quality camera? Yeah, moose milk. Moose milk. Jeez, moose milk. Oh, no, I stole it. Wait, you stole what? Oh, you stole the camera, Jeff. You gotta chill out. Want to see my antique one? Yeah. Wow, that's up and she ate it. I'm angry. Hey! Oh, that's not good. Oh, snap. Yum. Nice. Okay, yo, Moosina, I gotta say, you look pretty good in the dress. I like it. The dress is phenomenal, dude. You look good, okay? Now I can't return them and get free money. Sorry, but it's gonna be all right. So, Jeff, show me this crazy design, man. We got like a new glass panes. We have like new structural support. What is this? I was too lazy to carve the ice. No, check this out, man. It's just an ice thing. Moosina, your boyfriend just complimented you. What do you say? Yeah. We are not dating. Oh my God! Oh, Jeff, do not get her riled up, okay? All right, it's like my puppy Lucy. When she gets riled up, she starts biting, okay? Got that? All right. Ah! You see what happens? She shakes the daycare up and she hit the wall. You see what happens? Come on, Jeff. What you doing, man? What you doing? Musina, so excited. Lucy is a major thorn in my side. Oh, okay, buddy. All right. Yo, it's okay, Musina. Just calm down. She's trying to eat me multiple times. Yeah, I saw the video on the MooseCraft YouTube channel. Here's a little sneak peek of what happened. This is my... No, leave Jeff alone. No, no. Do not eat Jeff.
Let's see if she likes Jeff.
Lucy, do not eat Jeff. Lucy, come here. Don't eat him. Don't eat Jeff. Hey, don't bite Jeff. Okay, Jeff's my friend. Jeff, catch! What's this? Yo! Oh, ow! Fire! Yo, DJ! Platform! What is all this, dude? What? Fire like my mixtapes! You could say this was lit. Wow! And not the bathroom kind. Okay, so let me see what's going on over here, man. I'm gonna be putting on some tracks. Yo! Pop! Make a beat. Okay, alright, hold on. Who am I making it? Musina, look. You guys, it's Cyclops Eye. Jeff, why do you still have that? I don't, is that kind of disgusting? It's been like how long have you had his eye? Alright, yo, I'm gonna drop a beat. Alright, here we go. Wanna eat it? Jeff, what are you doing? Yeah! Okay. I think I actually just puked a little bit. Oh man, I got way too into character. Okay, so alright, so let me get this straight, man. You got some crazy DJ booth over here, bro. Here we go. Here we go. DJ Moose in the house. Yo. My name is Jeff Fina. Jeff. Hey, your girlfriend is offering some fresh eye. I don't want any of that. Okay. Yo, my name is Jeff. My name is Jeff. Up. Chill. My name is Jeff. I don't own a lab because I break everything I see. With my big head. Hey, roasted. Are you good? Ow. What the heck was that for, man? Come on. This dude. Okay, so I can puke some back out for you. I have a big head because I got much IQ. I got too much IQ. Eat it. No. I don't want it. Hi, Jeff. All right, buddy. So I've never been to prom before and such, or like homecoming dances and that kind of stuff. I don't know how it all works, man. But I've been sorry. I got a burpee problem. Sorry. I'm a certified genius with a Q. Ain't it? I don't want it. Ow! You can't hit me like that. What are you doing? Get out of here. Oh, I can't. She tried me in here. If this is not crazy, then what is? You gotta leave it without eating it. Get it in. I threw it away. Jeff has it. I'm telling the truth. Why did you put iron bars here? I'm a little bit sketched out right now. Here's more then. Oh, this is so beautiful. Look. Oh, I'm gonna eat it. I'm running away. Come on. We gotta go. Okay. All right, we need an escape plan. We gotta get out of here, bro. Prom night has gone 0 to 100 real quick. Ow! Yo, run. Oh no. Oh, stop! It's not working! Why? Hoop. Meh. Bill. Ow! How is she so quick? Oh no. Meh. Yes! And where I go to hunt? Oh, she's running after me. Oh, okay. Listen, children, it is time for a slow dance. Jeff, I know you're an old man and all, and I understand you gotta do those slow dances, but come on, man. I ain't interested, dude. I am not interested in those slow dances. I'm about to sneeze. I have like a sneeze cooking up right now. Okay. Oh, I fell. Ow. Oh, and I'm dead. Okay, whatever. Oh, I'm back in the daycare. All right. Jeff, it's time, man. So I've never been to prom before. I heard there was supposed to be a lot of food and all, but there's no food here. Where's the food at? I went to this, I went some piggy, I went some of this. Score! Jeff, I heard a loud echo that shook the building. Look to the skies! Where is she? Where did she go? I'm kind of worried. Hello? Where are you, Musina? Skytech! She flew away? I don't even see her. Oh, snap, she's flying. She's got wings. Where did she get wings from? Yo, Musina, you crazy girl. All right, let's go do that dance thing so you can leave me alone. I grew him. What? All right, let's go to the daycare. Jeff, so where's your date at, man? Come on, aren't you supposed to have a date, dude? Huh? Where's Jeffina? Where's Jeffina? She's a ghost now. Perfect, there you go. You lowly. Oh, snap. Yo, Musina just hit you with that roast, bro. Low-key what? Dude, I got you, man. Here's this thing called Instagram, all right? So all you gotta do is post a picture of your car and also your puppy, and it works. Trust me, I got you. I don't have my phone on me for some reason. But yeah, low-key, I think Jeff is really lonely. Was the eye in your hand? No. Oh, Jeff's gone. Jeff, come back. Jeff, I saw that. Oh, you didn't see nothing. I ate him. Okay. All right. This just got awkward. All right. Well, anyways, I guess since Jeff is not here, he's back. I was gonna say we should do the slow dance. Oh, yeah, about that slow dance, I'm really get back in there. You can see yourself out now. Why? What's wrong, dude? I'm just giving you relationship advices, dude. Come on, man. Listen, you and Jeffina ain't working out, so I got an idea for you. Leave! But Jeff. Oh. Cry to the ice! I feel like I'm being abused here. You too, Moose Jr. I like some ice. Always some a big face. Ain't some more moose book. How does she eat quicker than me? I'm scared. Jeff, chill out. Jeff, relax, buddy. Jeff, I got you, Jeff. I got you. There you go, buddy. I fixed you up, man. There you go. What's the big deal, Jeff? Look at you, man. Look at this dude over here. Look at this dude. I feel like Jeff's really mad at us for some reason. I don't know why he would ever be mad at us. Jeff, it's okay, buddy. It's okay. Wow, that was like those really like evil, scary stares. Okay, you just need some eye. What is wrong with you? All right, goodbye, Moosey. Let's go do that slow dance so you can stop trying to murder me. All right, sounds good? Okay, it's a wonderful time. Forced against my will, I have an arrow in my head, in my leg, and places there shouldn't be arrows at. Yay! This! Hey, no, stop it! No recording! No! I don't want it. I'm filming this for blackmail later. How many cameras did you steal? Did you take a pic for me? I am so confused. A lot! Yum! Oh, she hit the camera. Jeff, you got more cameras? How many cameras do you have? Okay, you know what? I was gonna do a slow dance, but now they're recording, I kind of want to go. I took the store. You stole a store? Do you have like superpowers and stuff? Fair play. Okay, well, anyways, go dance with that dummy Musina. I'm Moose. She's Musina. It's not that hard to tell us apart. I mean, like, hey, stop recording, okay? Stop recording. Hey, Musina, it's a wonderful. No! Do you have like a problem like eating cameras and stuff? Like, can you eat anything possible? No. You're kind of like my puppy Lucy. You know, like my puppy Lucy will eat anything and everything. Nah, fam. Oh, okay, all right. Multiple angles. Oh, Jeff's going at it. Jeff's going at it. I don't like this, man. I feel like I'm like in a music video or something. Dance, revolution. Oh, play out of my grab. Yo, check out these skills. Hey, let's go to the beat. Oh, hey, it's so lit. All right, you know what? I'm out of here. This is going to be a lit movie. Jeff, I want 50% of all profits, bro. And you better give me some description credit, too. You better not forget. Oh, okay, here you go. Enjoy. Okay, well, Musina, I think that was a wonderful time, a wonderful day, and all, but, yeah. You're crazy. Anyway, I'll see you tomorrow with a brand new Daycare video. Subscribe and slap the bell so you never, ever miss a Daycare video. And that's the only way you'll be able to see it super early, man. And guys, check out some other Daycare videos that we have on the channel and subscribe and slap the bell. Peace out, man. I'm so scared. What's going to beat me? Bye.